In this video, I'm going to show you how to effortlessly connect your Beats Solo 3 headphones to any device, be it an Android, iPhone, PC, or Mac OS. If you want to make the most out of your headphones and switch between devices smoothly, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the steps and get your music ready to go. First things first, let's put your Beats Solo 3 into pairing mode. Simply press and hold the power button located just above the battery indicator on the right ear cup. Hold it for about 5 seconds until the LED lights start flashing. This means your headphones are now ready to connect. For Android users, navigate to Settings, then Bluetooth, and turn it on. Your Beats Solo 3 should appear under Available Devices. Just tap on it to connect. If it doesn't show up right away, hit Scan to refresh the list. If you're using an iPhone or iPad, connecting your Beats Solo 3 headphones is straightforward. Let's go through the steps. For iOS 10, or later unlock your iPhone or iPad, you should see a pop-up on the screen displaying Beats Solo 3 with an option to connect. Tap Connect on the pop-up and wait a few seconds. Once connected, the pop-up will show the battery level of your headphones. Press Done to finish. For earlier iOS versions, if no pop-up appears or if you're using an earlier version of iOS, unlock your device and open the Settings app. Go to the Bluetooth settings and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. It should appear green or highlighted. Look for Beats Solo 3 under Other Devices in the list of available Bluetooth connections. Simply tap on Beats Solo 3. Your device will connect automatically to the headphones. On a Windows PC, click the Start menu, then Settings, Devices, and finally Bluetooth and Other Devices. Turn on Bluetooth, click Add Device, and select your Beats Solo 3 from the list. For Mac OS users, click the Apple menu, go to System Settings, then Bluetooth, find your Beats Solo 3 in the list, and click Connect. And that's it. Having trouble? Make sure your headphones are in pairing mode, and Bluetooth is enabled on your device. If issues persist, try restarting both your device and headphones. Or even reset your headphones by pressing and holding the power and volume down buttons together for 5 seconds. That's it for this video. You now know how to connect your Beats Solo 3 to devices like Android, iPhone, Windows, and Mac. Whether you're listening to music, watching movies, or playing games, these steps will ensure you get the best audio experience. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.